Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera under $100 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Drone S116 4K HD Dual Camera. Equipped with dual cameras with 4K resolution, capable of capturing high-definition photos and videos. The dual camera design provides a wider field of view and more shooting angles, allowing you to capture more exciting moments. Support gesture control photography and video recording functions, without the need for a remote control. With simple gestures, you can easily take photos or record videos, making it convenient and fast. Electric adjustable camera angle. Through the remote control, the angle of the camera can be electrically adjusted to achieve shooting and observation from different angles. You can freely adjust the angle of the camera as needed to capture more images from different perspectives. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Equipped with an obstacle avoidance system, it can automatically perceive surrounding obstacles and evade them through intelligent obstacle avoidance algorithms, providing a safer and more stable flight experience. Optical flow positioning. Equipped with optical flow height determination function, precise height determination flight is achieved by sensing the texture and light changes on the ground. Optical flow height determination technology can maintain stability during hovering and flight, providing clearer and smoother shooting effects. Brushless motor. Adopting a brushless motor, it has the characteristics of high efficiency, low noise, and long service life. Brushless motors are more stable than traditional brush motors, providing stronger power and longer flight times. Number 2. Xiaomi Mijia Z908 Pro/Max Drone 8K. Remote control frequency/channel, 5 GHz/6 channels. Product material, plastic/metal/electronic components. Adjust the camera, remotely adjust the camera/adjust 150 degrees. Product color, gray/black. Engine model, 816 brushless motor. Remote control mode, left-hand throttle. Flight time, about 28 minutes. Size of mobile phone clip, 5.5 inches. Remote control battery. Battery *3. Fuselage battery, 3.7 V 2000 mAh. Remote control distance, no interference 9000 m. Charging mode, USB. Charging time, about 60 minutes. Packing method, color box plus storage bag. Body size, 25*25*5 cm. Folding size, 13 by 9 by 5 cm. Package size, 23.2 by 8.1 by 18.6 cm. Image transmission signal. The UAV has its own Wi-Fi signal. Image return distance, no interference 9000 m. Number 3. For Xiaomi V198 GPS Drone ESC 8K. The arms are foldable, compact, and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode provides more accurate flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function, it can connect to APK system, take photos/videos in real time through the mobile phone camera, and transmit images. -5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 3,000 meters. -5G Wi-Fi 1080p/5G Wi-Fi 4K HD/5G Wi-Fi 6K HD/5G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera can provide a variety of high-definition images and videos. With altitude hold mode function, it provides stable flight. Orbital motion will make the aircraft fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route for a given path with a helicopter on the screen. Flight time up to 22 to 30 minutes. Headless mode, no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. One-key return function, you can easily find your way home. One-key takeoff/landing. One-key automatic takeoff or landing, the drone will automatically take off or return to the takeoff position. With overcurrent protection and low battery protection. Adopting 2.4 GHz technology, it has anti-interference function. -4 channels, can fly up and down, forward, backward, left and right. 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight and easier control. With 3 flight speed switch levels, it makes flying more fun. The quadcopter fuselage is made of strong, high-strength engineering plastic, which is lightweight and durable. Up and down, front and back, left and right, sideways flight, 3 flight speed levels, LED lights, follow the car, circle flight, waypoint flight, altitude hold mode, headless mode, 1-key return, 1-key takeoff/landing, Wi-Fi FPV, camera/video. Number 4. NBD Drone with camera 4K. 5G transmission and 90 degrees motorized adjustable lens allow you to view images and videos from previously unimaginable angles. The drone is equipped with 2 cameras, which can be switched at will, allowing you to shoot from different angles. The drone is equipped with GPS satellite signals. When the battery is low, out of control or without signal, the aircraft will automatically return to the starting point, without worrying about losing the drone. Multiple intelligent flight modes let the drone fly automatically. These intelligent flight modes include follow mode, trajectory flight, and orbit flight. You can choose your favorite mode to fly, and meanwhile, just focus on shooting and use your creativity and style to the fullest. 2 batteries can achieve about 40 minutes flight time per charge. The brushless motor has low power consumption and works very well. If you are always busy giving gifts to children or friends, believe me, this drone is your ideal choice. This drone is equipped with a high-definition camera that can capture beautiful scenery and take you to unexpected landscapes. The long battery life of 50 minutes lets you experience the fun of flying. Number 5. New 2-in-1 drone with 1080p camera. Headless mode the aircraft, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. High and low speed switching, 2 gears, fine-tuning to 0. 1-key takeoff and landing 2-in-1 drone features a function that enables it to find its way back automatically. With 1 click, the drone will return to its original point, no matter where it was flying. When the voltage is low, it will alarm 30 to 60 seconds in advance, which further improves the safety of flight. Equipped with 1080p HD camera allows you to capture high-quality video and aerial photos. Dual camera switching, FPV real-time transmission, transmits live images and videos to your mobile device, which offering you a genuine FPV flying experience. With display stand and ground mode, the RC drone display stand is tailored to fit the bottom structure of the drones for adults. Suitable for desktop display or placed in a showcase for collection display. Ground mode let the quadcopter drone slide on the smooth land, offer you different remote control experience. Multiple fun flights. LM19A is a versatile mini drone with camera. Draw a path in your app interface. The drone will fly following the path accordingly. 2-level flight speed to choose that can make more enjoyment with the flying. Support trim 0 function.